Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Subaru Crosstrek headlight bulb. First, gather your tools. You'll need a new H11 halogen bulb and a flat blade screwdriver. Always make sure your vehicle is turned off and the engine has cooled down. It's also important to wear clean gloves when handling the new bulb to prevent oils from your skin from damaging it, which can shorten its lifespan. Now, let's get started. Open your car's hood and identify the headlight assembly. For the passenger side headlight, you'll need to remove the plastic air intake duct to gain clear access. Use your flat blade screwdriver to carefully pop up and remove the two plastic clips securing the duct. Once the clips are out, gently lift the air intake duct and set it aside. The driver's side usually offers easier access without removing components. With access clear, locate the back of the headlight bulb. You'll see an electrical connector attached to it. Carefully press the release tab on the connector and pull it straight off. Next, grasp the base of the old bulb and twist it counterclockwise until it unlocks, then gently pull it out. Take your new H11 bulb, align its tabs, insert it into the housing, and twist it clockwise until it locks securely into place. Once the new bulb is securely in place, reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks firmly. Before reassembling everything, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. If you removed the air intake duct, carefully place it back into position and secure it with the two plastic clips. You've successfully replaced your headlight bulb. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.